Hello everyone, Justin with 511 Designs. As you can see in this photo, there's a lot going on here on the front end of this tractor with the brush guard, tie downs, tie rod, guard plate if you will, and the new lower guard I have on this brush guard. I've struggled sometimes trying to get all those things aligned, and this is a solution I came up with. Decided to take 4 M14 bolts and cut the heads off them and install them in the front of the frame just to hold everything together while I align the brush guard. And at least then it takes some of the weight off. Then you can replace those studs with the hex head bolts supplied with the tie downs if that's the case or that's the project you're working on. So this may not apply to what you're doing, but just thought I would share this tip. It really helps with all that weight and all those items you're trying to align. So if you're looking for any compact tractor accessories, check us out online, 511designs.com. Thanks for watching.